gold and silver pretty much stayed in range, but one thing which has been evident and which both metals have made clear is that they've got very good support on the downside, precisely bouncing back from the support levels at 2250 and 1910 levels. At the same time, on the upside, the resistances also are kept intact: 1916, 2280. Remember, in the early Asia session discussion today, we have discussed that beyond 2270 and 2280, this is the zone where the first resistance, then 23 is the next milestone for silver. At the same time, for gold, you can buy at 1916, and beyond that, more bullishness may prevail. So now, is there a change, or we are going to change the levels, and are we going to remain in buy position, or we are going to sell gold and silver? Which position we should take in the US session, trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Your every comment and every like is appreciated. It is a great motivation and inspiration for me to deliver on time every time with consistency and to the best of my abilities. And yes, share and subscribe is a great support. Pressing the bell icon keeps you updated with the live market analysis. This is the second update for the day. And yes, you can also remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver to watch till the end. Now, if you look at the hourly chart, see certainly lower lows are seen here. But even if you see lower lows, the highs here are not yet achieved. On the upside, it appears it is shying away from moving on the upside. Buyers are not willing to take a positional call here on gold as of now. That is what it appears. Very minuscule move, very small move is seen. Yes, 1910, 1908 is a great support zone, and a sell entry is only below 1908. We can still maintain the same positions here. At the same time, now a buying entry again 1916, very good resistance. We should buy here, but then 2022, 1920, 1922. This is the first and strongest resistance zone for gold. And only if we see gold trading above 1922, we can expect that now it is trying to take a direction, and beyond that, chances will be very high for it to hit 1930-32 levels. If it stays above that zone, that is the time when we can say that gold is reversed and it will try to fly. But let's have a further detailed look. See, stochastic has retraced here. MACD just trading in this wave, and it is trading in green. However, hardly any movement is seen. RSI now trying to look downwards. It's a slight bearish move here. Coming to 2-hour charts. Now see, on the 2-hour charts, first of all, look at these two candles. You can see increasing body size also. You have seen the tails here and higher highs. Now this suggests that there is bullishness. The flat bottom also suggests the same. Now this candle, what it is trying to do, possibly it can try to achieve the lows here at around 1912, 1913, and then reverse from there. If it does show you a reversal, certainly above 1916, one can expect a good bullish move here. We can expect bullish candles from here, taking it till towards 1920-22 zone. Stochastic has retraced. MACD is divergent. It is trying to trade in green. It is trying to trade bullish. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 3-hour chart, similar observation here. Possibly it is just trying to achieve the lows here before reversing and trying to rise. So I will definitely wait and watch out for yes, a sell entry is only below 1910, 1908 zone. Yes, if you see gold trading below 1908, you can stay short for 1904 and 1900. 1900, great support exists there. Stochastic has retraced here too. MACD is divergent and it is trading in green with very small bullish bias. You can see the slope is very gradual here. It has to be exponential like this in order to define the bullishness here. RSI almost flat. Coming to 4-hour chart. Likewise, on the 4-hour charts, if you define the symmetry, you can see identical candles here. We can expect consolidation before it looks over to a reversal. And this candle also can be the second green candle in making, where it is trying to form the tail before looking upwards, which might in fact take it a little higher till towards 2022 zone. Stochastic rising, MACD is trading with little divergence and it is trading in green, trying to look upwards. RSI is almost flat here. Coming to the now see on the daily chart, the delta here is 1911, 1910, almost $1. And if we consider that as the delta, you will observe that almost the target here at 1920 should get achieved. We will wait for that. Possibly we may see a rise later in the day with the, and if you see it trading above 1916, definitely one can expect it to hit 2022 zone. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is extremely bearish. It must try to converge, which calls for a little rise. it see all also the stochastic is almost at bottom, so hence a possible conversion from here can be expected. RSI is already trading at bottom, and hence the zone remains the same. Do not trade between 1908 to 16 levels. In between these $8, do not take any position above 16. If you are taking a position, be careful for 19, 20, 22 levels, first resistance, and then beyond that is where little more bullishness will be seen. We can expect in forthcoming sessions gold hitting 1932 and 40 levels as well if it stays above 19, 20, 22, the first target. And on the downside below 1908 you can sell, however 1904, 1900 is the greatest support here, and then till 1891, 1895 and 1891 another two supports. Below that only further bearishness can be seen. Below that you should stay short, just close your eyes, stay short below 1891. With that we are done with gold. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start in first week of September. Only limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for silver. See, lower highs, lower lows are seen here, but good enough consolidation is seen here at 22. 60 22 2260 2250 zone. Yes, it has tried to drop till towards 2250 but got a good pullback, you can see, and then there was a consolidation at 2260 before this rise. Now another important point, yes, lower highs, lower lows are seen. 2280 is a great milestone for silver to break past by. Once you see silver trading above 2280, possibly beyond that, we can expect that it is a break of this channel and we can expect it to hit $23. 23 is going to be a stronger milestone, and 23 and 2320, rather 2320 is going to be a stronger milestone for silver on the upside. Stochastic now trying to look downwards. MACD is trading with little divergence and bullishness. RSI is now also trying to look downwards, which is a bearish sign as of now for silver. On the 2-hour chart, you can see the moving averages have now started to converge a bit. You can see that gap is reducing, and this suggests that the bullishness, bearishness is getting diminished. At the same time, lower highs, lower lows are seen. This zone is something we should watch out for. Hence, a sell entry below 2250 and now a buying entry only about 2280, which I will recommend here. In fact, you can sell here at 2260. However, 2250 is a safer level for you to enter. Stochastic has retraced. MACD is trading with little divergence and bullishness, while RSI is trying to look downwards, trying to suggest little bit of weakness here in the price momentum. And if you look at 3-hour chart, see one bullish candle, couple of retracement candles. The next candle will decide its direction. Any move about 2280, just stay long for 2320 zone. Stochastic has retraced. MACD trading with very little divergence and very little bullish move here, you can see. But at the same time, look at this, it is formed a bottom here and trying to retrace. So I will definitely observe if it crosses over above zero levels, certainly that will call for the more bullishness there. RSI is rising here. Coming to 4-hour chart, likewise on the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation. We have to be careful in this zone. Let's be watchful, let's be careful. Stochastic rising, MACD trading with little divergence and bullishness, and RSI is also trading comfortable, neither bullish, neither overbought, neither oversold. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, if you look closely, lower lows are done, lower highs are there. So this is a typical no trade zone. It is just trying to consolidate for last 3 to 4 candles, you can see, and possibly a breakout. It may try to create a reversal sign there. Any breakout about 2218 in the next candle or today itself should be a good direction for silver, because see the moving averages are now placed a little far away at 2350 2370 zone, which is a great resistance for silver here on the upside. Yes, moving averages have crossed over. This is a bearish sign, but yes, convergence still towards moving average cannot be denied. Stochastic is also oversold here on the daily charts. And MACD has seen extreme divergence, and now candle size is diminishing, suggestive of that possibly we can see them converging and continuing with the up move. RSI almost trading at bottom. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 2260. You can sell here at 2250, which is a safer entry, but yes, those who want to risk a little can sell at 2260. However, 2250, 2240 are two very important support levels. We should not be breaching 2240 is where the bears will be in, and we can say more drop will be seen there. At the same time, above 2280 is where more bulls will be there, and then 23 is the first milestone, 2320 is the second milestone. If these two levels are breached, then only you can say that bulls are back in silver, and we can expect 2360, 2350 zone. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.